Hi people, this is Nadia again. Okay, I'm using my cellular because even though I was using the other cellular, but the other cellular only takes internet, is not active. So, but this one is active, so I could just pass it to YouTube. So what I wanted to say was that I took out all the little babies from here, except that one right there because it's attached to still. So I just left it at that, and I put the bigger ones somewhere else. Why? And I put this. You want to see something? Look at the roots. It's full of roots, and it's still living pretty good here. So I use this canister to put water in it and repropagate them because I gotta be cutting them constantly. I'm planning to put this one outside and where I got the where there's a canister there that is my mother's, and she has some of these there. So I'm gonna see if this weekend we could plant these if it doesn't rain. It rains almost every day. If it doesn't rain and we could do it, so we will be putting these because it has plenty of high quality roots right there. And the reason why I separated them, not because they got extra full or anything, and why I put this one here, is to evade the chickens to come in there. Yesterday they came. Well, as you see, look at the mess the chickens did. Look at what they did to my plants. Well, what can I say? It's a hassle. Simple hassle. They knocked everything on the floor. And this one, it keeps moving. I don't know why. And get it straight. Straight. Okay. Now that looks pretty. How you call it? They came in, they tore all this out. You know, there was roots all over the dirt. But they're looking pretty good. I came today to check them out, and they're looking pretty good. Another thing I have new is that my plantain is having a baby. Yes, I saw a little thing coming around the corner from it, and I've been watching it. So yesterday, finally, it didn't rain in the morning, so I got there and I was able to check it out, and there was a baby. It's actually a real baby, another plantain coming out. So, how you call it? So I took these, and I'm gonna show you where I put the rest of them. As you can see, I put them all in one canister. Let them grow a little bit, then I will be putting them in normal pottings. So um, this is why I changed them. But oh, I want to show you also. Remember how we said that the flowers come out in the morning? I hope you could get the seeing. Let me move this out. Ah, okay. Now you can see it better. I can't see because the light is like focusing my eyes. But I assume you could see it because I'm pointing right at it. So these they grow in the morning. You see them all puffy up with flowers, yellow flowers. They look gorgeous. And then in the afternoon they die. And then tomorrow you see them again with more flowers. So what I did was I cut all the way in the bottom, so I could put my King Royal on that side, you know, so whenever I want to make tea, if it's raining, I don't have to go outside. I could just pick it up from there. Because these are going out, you know. Planning to put part of it back at where the King Royal is at in my raised bed. Because when Maria came, they almost looked like they were going to die. And they don't have too much. It grows a lot, but in the middle you see it empty-ish, you know. So I'm gonna see if I could refill that part and make it look bushy, you know, like a lot of them. So I'm planning to do part of that, and the other part I'm putting it outside where my mother has hers. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye.